It might come out. Oh my God, I think it's gonna come out.
Got it.
Holy
Woo!
man! Like you made for it.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are headed out to Dover shop. We're going to check on what's going on out there, see how everything's progressing out there, and see what we're getting into today. So as you see, it's kind of cloudy, overcast day, which sucks. I hate winter, by the way, guys. But if I haven't told you already, I do not like winter. I do not like cold weather. And I do not like rainy, cloudy days. Yeah, I love sunshine and warmth, but who doesn't? Anyway, guys, we'll see you at the shop. All right, guys, so we are here. As you can, man, I had to look back, guys. I knew it was pointing at it, so God, I love that color. All right, guys, so we're here, so we're gonna go open the shop and see what's going on today.
Yeah.
There they are.
Hey.
And I'm knocking stuff out.
We're giving away the weather lately here in Tennessee.
Yeah, it's a little cold. That's what I was saying in the car. It's a little cold, a little gloomy.
Lunch.
All right, we're going to lunch already?
Well, not just yet, but here shortly.
Okay. Since I just got here.
Hungry.
I love it. Dude, what's this?
Turbo motor, man.
Uh-oh. I haven't seen this in a while. So what size turbo are you sticking on it?
Whatever this, 67?
67 millimeter. Oh, on 3 kit. There you go.
Yes, the whole kit.
Ooh, I like that. Yes, sir.
Lots of stuff there.
Oh, man. I see y'all got this back. I was watching Kelly's video.
Yeah, got this back. I was thinking about pulling the trans out of it.
Uh-oh. Pulling the trans out. Gonna build it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little work on it. Get new headers and Whipple.
So, guys, if you remember the convertible car I took a ride in a few videos back, this is his other car. It used to be Alex's Coyote 6R80. Well, he brought it back, and he's putting a Whipple on it, building a trans, and everything else now. So he's going to make this faster than his other car. So stay tuned for all that. I imagine we'll have some of it on our channel and also over on Foxcast. He'll probably have the bulk of it. All right, so we got the transmission out. Now we just got to get it built and get ready to go back in the car. Of course, the Boss 302 intake is going to be coming off. Going to be getting a Whipple, and who knows what else is going on with this car. We all know when it comes to Lee's cars, sometimes we get thrown stuff. He does it right, though, guys. He does it right. So we're going to have a Whipple going on here. Going to build these 6R80 trans to handle the power. I'm guessing since he's building this thing, he's planning on getting pretty serious.
Fuel system?
We got the fuel tank out because if you caught it's on your channel, ain't it?
Yes.
The video. Okay. So we got the fuel system out. He's gonna go with the same fuel system he has in convertible, tank, everything. Really nice fuel system. So it's coming together, and he's going with bigger headers, right? He's going 1 7/8 headers.
Yeah.
So this car is gonna be coming along pretty good. I'll try to come out here as much as I can to keep you up on it. Also, you can go to Foxcast Media, check out his videos for all these builds. He does stay 100% up to date on everything going on out here. I try to get out here as much as I can. So real quick, I want to talk a little bit about Ford Takeover. Now that is going to be
June 6th, baby.
June 6th.
Saturday, June 6th. Of course, the pre-meet always is the Friday night before. And then Saturday, 10 to 4. We don't maybe have something after that. Me and Ken are going to get together and figure out something with that. But we've got the track all to ourselves. It's kind of like a cars and coffee at the drag strip, hangout show, drag race, test and tune, grudge race, whatever. And it's going to be a good time. This year is going to be huge. We've got multiple YouTube channels. Me and Ken, Brutal Vlogs is going to be there, and just Gearhead and
Pony 1992, Determined Veterans talking about coming.
All those guys. There's going to be a ton, guys. It's going to be huge. We're going to break records this year, I promise.
Yeah.
We're going to do big stuff, and I'm working on a manufacturer's midway, swap meet, and other stuff. But at the end of the day, it's going to be an awesome time. So
guys, we will keep you up to date as the event grows and we figure out all the fine details, but it definitely is going to be June the 6th from 10 to 4. And the night before, Friday evening at 5 p.m., we will have the pre-meet like we did last year. So looking forward to that, guys. And so yeah, June 6th, mark it in your calendar. Come on down, hang out with us, and do a little racing. Hopefully the blue car is boosted by then.
yes, that would be awesome.
My goal is no later than 1st of summer.
I'm excited.
So, and I still have not decided on what kit I'm going with, although the Hellion is looking pretty good. The Hellion's looking pretty good, but we're not 100% sure. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.